What's going on, guys? So I usually don't do a live stream at this time of the day, but Namaste is on fire. And the real question is why. So I've been trying to do some research, figure out why, but before we get this video started, just give me a quick thumbs up. If you're new to this channel, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell. I'm going to be checking in on the chat room. Maybe you guys know as to why Namaste is on fire. Currently, Namaste is up 38%, and that's just today. And this run came out of nowhere because today Namaste was trading pretty much sideways. Oh man, got a phone call. And then Namaste you just all of a sudden seen a lot of volume. You see Namaste gap up here, from pretty much 51 cents all the way, well, only to 53 cents, and then just pushed forward. At one point, I think we seen Namaste up to 72 cents. Yeah, 72 cents. So at one point, we seen Namaste up 42%. Namaste is just on fire. I've been trying to look around, trying to look for information as to why this company is on fire. There's no news, there's nothing, and it has me questioning, why is Namaste on fire? Why all of a sudden a huge run? And one reason can be simply because this stock has just been beat up. You look at the past 1 year. Let's look at the 1 year. Actually, we should just look at the year to date. But this stock has been beat up. We've seen Namaste at all-time highs of $4, and then this company go all the way down to 49 cents, all the way down to, I think it's all-time lows or 52-week lows. So this company has simply been beat up. And today it might just be like investors finally having confidence in this company, simply because it was undervalued. It's got beat up because it had a lot of negative press. But right now, I'm gonna take a look at Namaste real quick. On paper, Namaste looks very undervalued, especially when you compare it to its marijuana peers. Price to sales 8.27, price to revenue 8.27, price to book 2.15. Total assets for Namaste 71 million, market cap 153 million. So, and this is after this huge run. I think Namaste was definitely undervalued, especially at 49 cents. I noticed this big run because I was actually making another video, and then I just checked my portfolio, and I'm up a couple $1,000s. I'm like, what's going on? So I check which company is doing this, or was the whole market up in general? The whole market overall isn't doing too well. It's just Namaste is just on fire. So I'm gonna check the chat room. Let me know what you guys think. How's it going, Felipe? How's it going, Daz? How you guys doing? I know I don't usually do live streams at this time of the day, but I figured I would just do a quick video, maybe do a couple requests today. But Namaste is just on fire. They're up 38%. Let me know what you guys think. Also, if you guys watch this video after the live stream, feel free to comment. Let me know why you think Namaste is on fire. Currently up 39.7%. With the ticker symbol NXTTF, and that's the American ticker symbol. Canadian ticker symbol is currently up 38%, so they're both pretty much up 40%. Namaste is simply on fire, so I'm not complaining. I don't know if there's any Namaste shareholders out there, or I honestly don't know what's going on with Namaste, but I'm pretty sure we're going to be hearing some news very soon with Namaste. But in the meantime, I do want to talk about Aurora Cannabis. Let's just let this chart load up. Let's look at Aurora Cannabis. So Aurora Cannabis has been finally floating above its support line. I'm going to pull up some ACB. These are the Canadian charts. And as you can see here, Aurora Cannabis has been floating. Right here's the support, and they've finally gone above the support line. I'm just gonna put it onto the 5-minute charts, and today they popped over the support line. Hopefully that's some good signs for Aurora Cannabis. We popped above it and then immediately got rejected. We're kind of floating there. This line is still somewhat acting as a resistance, and if you look at the 3-month charts for Aurora Cannabis, this was previously acting as a support. You were seeing Aurora Cannabis continuously bounce above this line, and then now recently in the past week, Aurora Cannabis has been bouncing below this support, which is now acting as resistance. But we've seen it pop over a couple times. It is looking like Aurora is continuing to uptrend, so that's a very good sign for Aurora. Even though Aurora is only up 0.8% today, I do like the fact that Aurora Cannabis is finally floating above this support line right here. I guess it depends how you look at it. But yeah, as you can see that, I'm just going to check the chat room, see if anyone has joined us. 16 people here. Don't forget, give me a quick thumbs up, guys. What's going on, Moonsank? You're not late. If you want, you could rewind it. This is going to be a very, very quick live stream. Maybe I'll try to make it 15 minutes. I pretty much just wanted to talk about Namaste, how they've been on fire today. Now I'm just touching up on some Aurora Cannabis, and I do like how they're finally uptrending. They did have a nice run. I think it was on the 15th, and it pretty much started the uptrend. So maybe if you guys want, I'll just do some Q&As. If you guys want me to look at some companies, we could take a look at some companies. I know Namaste seems to be the hottest company today. Let's see what other companies are on fire. Let me just scroll down right here. So iRobot got beat up today pretty much because of bad earnings. iRobot is down 21.5%. This is a company that I've been looking at for some time, some iRobot, but I want to look at the hottest stocks for today. One of them being Namaste, currently up 40%. So Namaste is now at 70 cents. Namaste is just on fire. I have no idea. Look at these charts. It's a lot of volume. I'm not sure if this is the beginning of a run or what's going to happen is Namaste is going to see a huge correction, because right now Namaste is pretty much going up in a straight line. You see those green bars, you see that volume. I mean, I'm not complaining. Let's look at the 5-minute charts though. But it's going up very steep. Usually when we see that, it's going to be followed by a correction, whether it's a big or a small correction. But right now, Namaste went up literally 20 cents today, 40% in one day, which is huge. But I'm not complaining. So Namaste is definitely the biggest winner for today. We also have MTP, Midatech Pharma PLC, up 23.56%. Ticker symbol YRV, which is Riverport and Logistic Ltd, up 17%. So there's a couple big winners today, but none as big as Namaste. I bought at, what did you buy at 9 cents? Sold at 13, May 20th. That sounds good. But I'm not sure what company you're talking about, but those are some nice gains. That's very good. What's up, dude? Nuvi here. Overlord Underboss. What's going on, man? It's good to see you here, and it's okay. Everyone starts off somewhere, and we all got to learn from everyone. Just try to learn as much as you can if you're a newbie. Do you see Ozza making a big run lately? So I'm thinking you're talking about Australia's capital. I'm going to take a look at their charts, and then we'll see how they're doing. The more people that join here, don't forget, give me a thumbs up. NWT, we'll take a look at that. So we're going to keep looking at Namaste. Honestly, that just seems to be the hottest. I don't know how high they're going to go. And then on top of that, I'm going to take a look at other companies. You guys can send me requests. I'm just amazed at this run by Namaste, and they're still going forward. They're still pushing up. In American, Namaste is up 41%. Canadian, it's up 40%. We have seen them go higher than that. But let's take a look at Australia's. So I guess you want me to look at the American ticker symbol since you said F. I'm pretty sure I've looked at this company before, and I did say they were a bit overvalued, especially after their last run. But we're going to take a look at them again. It looks like they've had they had a nice correction. So they made a huge run, a lot of volume, looked overbought, and now they've had a nice correction and they look oversold. So let's take a look at them. So yeah, definitely this scares me. Price to revenue 1,212. That's very high. I personally, I don't know. I would not invest in a company with a price to revenue in the thousands. So that is a little scary. I do own some Australia's capital, but only because those are the free shares that Aurora Cannabis gave me. So I'm sitting on some losses with the free shares that Aurora gave me. I do see a support line around here at 70 cents, I would say. So that would be even then I probably wouldn't even consider buying it unless I know it's strictly for a swing trade, day trade. And we could say the resistance is here at around 95 cents, so anything above here I would consider a strong sell. I'm just going to draw some lines here, color them in differently. Honestly, Australia's capital is definitely a huge risk, probably a lot of potential right now. On paper they look a little scary. The price to revenue looks a little scary. Let's see, total assets 44 million versus market cap 120 million. That's not bad. It's just that price to revenues is a little too high for my taste. So let's see what else. Sweet position to be acquired. Namaste is in. Yeah, Namaste is on fire. I'm amazed at Namaste right now. I'm gonna keep an eye on Namaste because I want to know how high they're gonna go. I won't be surprised to see them go up 50% because this momentum might just push them forward even more. Oh my god, I can't even spell Namaste right now. Oh god. Namaste. Only took a million tries. I should have a separate page just for Namaste. Actually, I do right here on the American side. So yeah, Namaste and the American side is now up 40. Oh no, just went down to 39.9%. And I got a lot of people messaging me for my puppies. I actually just sold one puppy. I ended up selling two puppies, and then one person couldn't handle it and returned it. So I don't want the puppy to be unhappy, so I actually refunded them the puppy. So I have three puppies. One has been sold and is in a very happy home. But yeah, I just wanted to update you guys with that. Could you check LAC? I could do a couple companies. I'm only going to be on here maybe 5 more minutes. I wanted to do a quick little video pretty much just on Namaste. Maybe I figured some of you guys would have heard something about Namaste because I've been trying to do some research to figure out why they've had such a huge run, and I haven't found anything besides the fact that the stock has been beat up. So yeah, we'll take a look at other companies for now. Because I do have a lot of phone calls to answer and messages, so I don't want to be stuck on here, and I also don't want to be answering phone calls while I'm live streaming. So we'll take a look at a few companies. So just by looking at this chart, I do like its volatility. It does seem to be near the bottom of its 52. Let's just look at the 52-week range. So yes, it's definitely in the bottom half of its 52-week range. I would say we do have a support at around $5. So, and it is approaching that support. This is a Lithium Americas Corp. We're gonna take a look at them on paper in a bit. Technical analysis is a sell. Sell, strong sell. So that's not looking good, but never bet your money on technical analysis. On paper, not the greatest. 71.25. Price to sale 71.25. Let's see how much total assets. 139 million in assets. Market cap 463 million. Honestly, it's a little overvalued. 71 price to revenue, price to sales is a little high. And the thing I do like about it is that it does seem to constantly have nice swings. So this would be probably good for a swing trade because you could purchase it near the bottom. It does seem to have a nice run up, but then followed by a nice correction. So long term, I would have to do more due diligence on this company. Right now, it does seem to be approaching a support line, which could possibly mean that it's going to be ready to make a nice run. But let's move on to the next company real quick. Emphasis on na, pronounce Namaste. Namaste. I call it Namaste. Nah, no, I'm joking. Nah. Now you got me confused on how to say it. Namaste. That's how I say it. Namaste. So I swear I saw someone else request a company. Oh no, NWT. Someone just made a 2,500 on NWT. I want to take a look at this company. If I could find it. If not, or I don't know if you were talking about Namaste. either way, Namaste is up 40% today. If you guys have any requests, I'm willing to do one more request. It's insane the amount of bids coming in for Namaste. It seems like there's no stopping it till $1. Honestly, that would be very nice to see Namaste go to $1. I did start a position with Namaste at 82 cents. I averaged down at around 70 cents, so I won't mind seeing a Namaste go up to the dollar. Right now it's let's look at the charts. They're still pushing forward. I don't think they've kind of been trading sideways right now. 69, they've probably hit a 69 70 cent support right here. Let's look at the 5-minute charts, or even the 1 minute. So yeah, they've kind of hit a wall here at around 70 cents. Seems to be acting like a support right now. So we'll see if they break past this 70-cent resistance line. Either way, huge run for today. I'm not sure if we're going to see a huge correction, because there's a lot of green volume. It does seem to be overbought. Seeing 40, this company has literally went up 40% from, what time is this? From 12 o'clock to right now 2 o'clock. So in 2 hours, this company literally went up 40%. So that's a ridiculous run to see. I personally don't know why it's on fire. There's literally no news. I looked everywhere for news. I'm even on where is it, the chat. People have been, let's just see what these people have to say. Congratulations to everyone who has kept his shares. One person was could be a surprise. A tech company could be a partner, not a LP. Why? Who knows? I don't think there's no partnerships. Market cap just jumped to 50 mil. Just bought more in this AM. That was lucky. Volume is way up. Something leaked out. See, that might be something else. Something leaked out. Something we don't know about. But we'll be hearing about it for sure in the next couple days for sure. Caution: no news release, no Cedar.com posting for Namaste Technologies. Just being truthful, which could be true. Could be bull trap. Could be hype. Insiders, or Jesus answering me finally. Which is it? Who knows? Destroyed in 60 seconds. Tomorrow won a bet. They try to keep it over 50 cents. Who knows? Honestly, anything is possible. 40% on no news. What are you guys getting tonight? That's the thing. For a company to go up 40% on no news, it's like there has to be something going on. I had a feeling it was insider trading. I've been looking everywhere. Sometimes I just like reading people's, what their thoughts are, just to hear different opinions on them. But yeah, either way, I do have to go. I have a phone call I gotta respond to. I got some messages. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell. You know what, Monsank, I'm actually making a video on IQEE. Well, not really a video, but I'm making a video coming soon. I was actually working on it, and today I just all of a sudden saw Namaste explode. And I'm making, right here you could see, actually I'm literally gonna make a video on IQE. We got some reports coming up, so just stay tuned for the video. I will definitely be making a video on it soon, hopefully, as long as I have enough time. And you guys are funny because you're literally calling out, are you talking about water, like alkaline water? Are you guys watching my my screen? Maybe no, it's not up there. Either way, guys, thanks for joining me. This was a quick little live stream. Namaste is on fire. Now they're up 42%. This company is just, nothing's stopping it right now. It seems like they're going to break past this 70-cent resistance line right now that we have. Who knows? Is Namaste going to the moon? Maybe we're going to see a huge crash tomorrow. Right now, if you have Namaste shares, enjoy your gains. I have no idea how long this run is going to go for, and I have no idea why this run is happening. And I figured I would do a live stream. Maybe some of you guys would know something I don't know. Who knows? But either way, I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget, leave me a thumbs up. And that's it for now, guys. Bye-bye.